For people that are going to run our new Theorem Brake, we're going to show the install process on this. So after the suppressor is correctly torqued to the rifle using the provided tool, we are going to remove the standard exit cap and thread in the Theorem Brake. Noticing that the collar is touching the brake, we're going to thread it in until the collar touches the suppressor. Once it touches the suppressor, you can grip the collar, back the brake off until it is where it's sitting at 12 o'clock or top dead center. Go a little bit past that. The collar will then touch the can, and you can hand tighten everything or use the provided tool to torque it for a little bit extra tight.